here at SLA Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this 7x12 charcoal gray enclosed trailer with blackout detail. This does come with 2 foot of the black ATP stone guard up front. It includes a jack, an adjustable coupler, and safety chains. This is made of charcoal gray polycore siding. This is a single axle trailer. Comes with one 3,500-pound greasable axle with 15-inch wheels and tires. This is fully wired with LED drive lights. It does come with a spring-assisted loading ramp. It's a light switch that does go to the LED lights. It does have 2 vents on the inside. It's made of heavy-duty plywood floors and walls. Does have a entry door on the passenger side as well. If you're interested in this trailer or any other trailers on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720.